Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off Instagram comments. So let's go ahead and open Instagram. If you're not already on your profile, go ahead and hit the bottom right profile icon. And then we're going to go to the top right 3 lines. And we're going to choose the settings option. And then we're going to choose the third option of the privacy. Now, if you go about 4 down, you will see comments. And here what you can do is Instagram has it to where you can block comments from certain people that you know that you don't want to comment on your posts. And you can also choose this allow comments from, and you can choose if you want everyone or just people you follow or your followers or people you follow and your followers. Now, if you have everyone checked, it will allow people who don't follow you and you don't follow them to comment as well. So unfortunately, there is no way to actually turn off comments completely. So hopefully we will see that in the next couple of updates. If this helps you guys out, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.